Kublai pi baro ashka thup Khubor jongi kedan Bosco Media Network. Kimat ki bakongsan menta ka singi kilong. Penduna ke Kongres ban priang poster. Ab dengong ke BJP ya ka rai kinong yalam na Delhi ban. Perkhat sani bha shwaban jed ki MLA 8000 arpulai laong uba dan bong. Tementang ne phaj ki Khubor ki bakhambnya. Kaseng Kongres kala rai ban penduna ya kajing pen priang bat tak satare ki poster hakane ka election 8000 arpulai namar ka penjabo bat pen ingiu ya kilenti sengkin bat hakish nong ki thau. Ya kani ka rai la ya thu do ba Matthew Anthony media coordinator ka Congress hak election 8000 arpulai ha Meghalaya hakilat pathai Khubor ha Congress bhavan ha ka kharkhandai tarek ukala lengkon.
So the Congress party realized the need on a positive note that we need young policymakers who would understand the pulse of the people of Meghalaya, the young generation of Meghalaya, will adapt to the new requirements in the changing circumstances of the world and the local and regional political as well as personal aspirations of the people here. Corruption is an ongoing issue. I would like to bring out one particular aspect, which we will be focusing on, is the pride of the Meghalaya, the pride of the people of Meghalaya, the pride of the life of the people, the scheduled tribe and the scheduled caste, and all of the people, which the Congress has always constitutionally provisioned from the early beginning till the time we were in power in the center. Now, I would like to recall one incident on the minority issues, which we are facing, especially when we are at a state, where there is a minority which is a majority in the state. I would like to recall the incident of Father Stan Swami, a person who worked with the tribal community for their welfare, and the recent evidences which is coming across is showing that evidences were planted in his computer to kind of get him targeted. Do we want the minorities to be targeted like that? Do we want an MDA which partners with such parties who does not respect the minorities? We have our rights. We have our self-respect. We are equal participants in this country as anyone else. That is the fact in which Congress is going to fight this battle for the pride of Meghalaya, for the pride of the people and the self-respect of the people of Meghalaya.
Kirang ba berkilong kemi ki balapan tiket nakaseng Bharatiya Janata Party BJP kila poi hadu shispa arpulaingut layathu uba Ernest Mauri President haka kharkhandai tarik ukala lengkot hakilat pathai Khubor. Uba Ernest ulaong ba shen kirang ba nong yalam ka BJP ha Delhi kila jir bat rai ban ai tiket yaki beriu ki ba laban poi syaka thong jingjob yaki kerteng ensapen bena Maria menjur ki nong yalam na Delhi. Ya menta kitu ki badang ap yaka Khubor ban mi kerteng kidang syong kende mensim bat lagi nong kersan halaskum. Lada ki pat ba kidang ken mau yaka jingja mau lai sngo bha ban ken mau lang shwa ban wanra yaki nong thau an la ban rap uba don bok.
We have received 123 applications from different constituency. Like in some constituency, we are having multiple application, mean like 3, 4, even like Daru, for example, we are having 4 aspirant, mean applicant, and even in the Mahandragan, we are having 6 applicants. So that is going on, and I think immediately we are going to convene the State Election Committee, where we will send all the names of the candidate to Central Parliamentary Committee for approval. See, date for declaration of candidate will not take time now. Just after the State Election Committee, we are sending all the names to Delhi, to our central office, and the Honorable Prime Minister, he is the chairman of the Parliamentary Committee Board. In that committee, they will clear all the candidates' names. We are a national party. Unless the Election Commission declare the date, we cannot announce our candidate. And even I think the Congress also officially they have not announced. Only this regional party, they have announced. But we as a national party, we have already, they have declared the date from the Election Commission. We are under process. We are going to declare the name of the candidate immediately. Project seat. It is not that we are going to contest all the seat. It means that from the party, this seat which we are projecting, like this potential seat, because you see there will be a great national party, A, B, C category. So this seat, which I have already highlighted just now, it is a projected seat. Winnability chance is more than that seat. We are expecting to win more than that. But you see, we are in line with the survey also. We'll just not go for just a press report or a piece of paper. We are working in the ground. So whatever report I have tabled in the Central Executive Committee meeting, that is fact with the survey. Confidential seat, Shillong City, Tura City, and in the plain area, Jylla Hills also we have.
Kakenhuan jo kasur kabri uhanyau trap mentakasngi kilalit ban yakendu USP bathamai jo ka East Khasi Hills u MGR Kumar IPS bat ya political secretary ka sarkar Jylla uba siding do ban kli halor ka jingja jong ka jingsha siatyap jong uba Chesterfield thank you hamaulai. Habaya kran berginong thok Khubor uba don bok harlung do chairman kanika kenhun ule thu ba ka juba bo yo na kini ki he sarkar kamlong ka babiang namar ki jingto kit kidang ya chaprang. Uba don bok ula kentha ting kanika sarkar ba hadu ka kenti bakut ka jing sensar jangka kamla satya ban aya ka jing bishar bat kanang tang ban shupen bit pat ba. Ula kenturu ikipat ba ka Jylla ba ken long ki ba husyar shwa ban jed kinong thau an haka arpo nyau tarik urampang. Ulapan kan mayo ka jingja haka khatsan tarik unailar ar hajar arpowe.
Jing bishar ka bahong. Shwa ban lese ban penkut no e kata ka sarkar ngila dei ban yo. Ngilam kemil enti ba kumuta. Hari kidai tang ki jing penbang. Lene tang ni jing penbet sudah. Kumba kila ong mo. Ni penbet malakan salsam ki ngop malasan senam. Tengah suban ong ya ki parari ki bayo sngol ne ki bayo ilang ba. Kini kilat pathai Khubor electronic media basuma tan thai dien syake e kepala jai ka jai penriu jongi mathai borok Khubor ngia sat sia namang ngim kwa ba ukuli lane kaktang suloi jong kibreu ka an kan khat jubor ya ka jim jongno urang ba lane jong upardok persnam borok hatu Khubor ngilaya ngia persya de ngaku aban penken mau ya ki parari ki ba le singal aban ong mdei ba ngikran politics hendrengi haban pej ya ka jing shisha ke ka ba kanika sarkar MDA balalam kemat dak NPP kelale kala peniap yodo usam jongi kala kular ban ai ya kata ke justice lani ke jing bishar ke bahak hari kamsyam la ai hado ba kala le singal aban hado kasih ke bamenin lah ni, kau mau pilih tip kata kamu modal kau nak apply bat nginam yo i sarkar show, dengi i kata kau failure jong ke government habis dia beri keman, asal kau pun orang yang parari, kibai lada pikir kemau ya kah kamai terik, lada pikir dan kemau itu kah sam terik, kaba baik baju jai berdeo ulalai, ling baki umat kibak thang halum cinta di lomali, nak betaban senran. Ya kini kan long yang jong ba chires semua ban ken mau lang naga menda shwa ba pinwan ra biang yanur naki konsensi ne ba pinwan ra ikti gibril ki ban long kin nong thawan lan ni kinong ilam ya ka sarkar nang di shikman ngi kreng chai ba kini ka sarkar kala pulam ka sarkar kam shimawara ka jinghun
Badak itu ki Khubor ngapoi shka bakut tarhadu bangin daya syambiang kublai shibun.